The small island state of Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, which is located in the Eastern Caribbean, have had its share of disasters. This is more so because it is located within a storm belt. These storms form in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of West Africa. The storms travel westward, placing most parts of the Caribbean at risk. This risk is especially so for the Windward Islands, which relies heavily on agriculture and tourism as source of income. The most recent phenomenon to affect Saint Vincent and the Grenadines was due to a tropical wave on December 2013, which had overwhelmed the current capacity of the drainage system, causing intense flooding and landslides, which result in a nationwide disaster. 9 deaths had been confirmed and with 3 persons missing. 225 persons were evacuated to national disaster shelters. The total damage and loss were assessed at $103.9 million, about 15% of the country's GDP. This was according to SVG Rapid Damage and Loss Assessment Report, January 2014. The resulting shock was minimized through proper approach from the National Emergency Management Organization with its expertise that led the response effort, with aid from the various communities and sectors, focusing on rescue, clearing of roads and drains, restoration of utilities, and creating diversions from damaged routes. There were several factors that affect proper risk management. Firstly, for the past decades, the shock had been in the form of storm winds. Therefore, preparations were not in place for tropical waves because previously they had not caused much damage. Secondly, the belief that the nation is somehow protected, so persons always believe that they will be spared of disasters, therefore taking little to no action. Thirdly, the limited finance of persons and the state as a whole, resulting in the financing of things that are of immediate importance. Finally, lack of more advanced expertise and equipment. These factors can be overcome through the emphasis on public awareness, which can take the form of regular disaster preparation drills. Through mass media, for example, mobile phone, television, radio, etc., can also be achieved through more advanced organized community in the form of training to respond to disasters, through education, both formal and informal, and finally, by implementing best practice that can be gained through collaboration with local, regional, and international bodies.